Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the manager here at High-Tech Muffler. We're located on 1405 East Weber Avenue in the heart of Stockton, California. Let me show you around the shop. So let me tell you about what we specialize in. We do catalytic converters, custom exhaust, muffler, resonator, deletes, and installations. We have a wide variety of tip selection for our customers, as well as other popular brands that we carry, such as Manifold, Borla, Flowmaster. So whatever you want for your certain application car, we have it. This customer wanted to do just a simple resonator delete, so that's what we're doing. They've already got a muffler delete done by us a while ago. They wanted just a little more sound, so we went ahead and we're removing the stock resonator. We have this Chevy Nova here. Our guys, we did a full custom exhaust from the header all the way back. We also did some electric cutouts. It gives the customers choice of being rather quiet and then loud when they want to, so they have the best of both worlds. We also do up to 3-inch diameter piping for those seeking more performance gains on certain vehicles. We also carry most year, make, model catalytic converters for vehicles, Prius catalytic converters as well. We also custom fabricate cages for catalytic converters and protection bars for most vehicles, some sense of security when installing a new catalytic converter on their car, so we can have our customers back on the road the same day. All right, so thank you so much for stopping by our shop. This is High-Tech Muffler. We're on 1405 East Weber Avenue in the heart of Stockton, California.